Join me as I take on the challenge of generating leads with zero budget in 2025. In today's digital landscape, lead generation is more crucial than ever for businesses looking to thrive. With the rise of online interactions and digital marketing, it's become the bread and butter of any successful business strategy. But what exactly is lead generation, and why is it so important in 2025? One major challenge businesses face with lead generation is saturation. Traditional methods like email marketing and cold calling are no longer as effective as they once were, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. Another issue is evolving consumer behavior. With so many options available, consumers are more discerning than ever, and it takes a lot more to grab their attention. Add to that the constant changes in search engine algorithms and social media platforms, and it's easy to see why lead generation can be a daunting task. And let's not forget about the sheer competition. With so many businesses vying for the same attention, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd. But despite these challenges, lead generation is more important than ever. With the right strategies, businesses can tap into a goldmine of potential customers and drive revenue like never before. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the changing landscape. By leveraging innovative technologies and tactics, businesses can not only generate leads, but also build meaningful relationships with their customers. So what are some of these innovative strategies? For one, automation tools have revolutionized the way we generate leads. By streamlining tasks and personalizing interactions, businesses can build trust and credibility with their audience. Social media tactics are also on the rise, with platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook offering unparalleled opportunities for targeted outreach. And let's not forget about good old-fashioned personalized outreach. With the right approach, businesses can build relationships that last a lifetime. The key is to be creative and think outside the box. Take, for example, the story of XYZ Inc. Just a year ago, they were struggling to generate leads and were on the verge of going under. But by implementing a combination of automation tools and social media tactics, they were able to turn their fortunes around. Today, they're one of the top players in their industry with a loyal customer base and a steady stream of new leads pouring in. The results are nothing short of astonishing: a 500% increase in leads and a 200% increase in revenue. And the best part? They did it all on a shoestring budget. So what can we learn from XYZ Inc.'s success story? Firstly, it's clear that innovative strategies are key to generating leads in 2025. By staying ahead of the curve and adapting to the changing landscape, businesses can tap into a goldmine of potential customers. Secondly, it's all about building relationships. With the right approach, businesses can create loyalty and trust that lasts a lifetime. And finally, it's about being creative and thinking outside the box. To sum it up, lead generation is more crucial than ever for businesses looking to thrive in 2025. With the right strategies and a willingness to adapt, businesses can generate leads, build relationships, and drive revenue like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more advanced marketing techniques, be sure to check out my next video. I'll see you in the next one.